Ever looked up at the moon and wondered, not about its beauty, but about its business potential? Yeah, I know, sounds like something out of a sci-fi flick, right? But what if I told you, there's a company, a real one, with its sights set on the lunar surface, not just for a quick visit, but for a full-blown economic presence? We're talking about the Lunar Company, and if you haven't heard of them, buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Why the moon? Why now? Well, the moon isn't just a pretty face. It's a treasure trove of resources. Think rare earth metals, helium-3, a potential game-changer for clean energy, and even water ice, which could be used for fuel, life support, and, yes, even future lunar settlements. The Lunar Company isn't just dreaming, they're strategically positioning themselves to tap into this untapped wealth. But who are they? The Lunar Company is a privately held enterprise, a consortium of engineers, scientists, and investors with a shared vision to establish a sustainable and profitable lunar economy. They're not just throwing rockets at the moon, they're building a comprehensive ecosystem. Imagine robotic mining operations, lunar habitats, and even a transportation network connecting Earth and its celestial neighbor. Their approach is methodical, starting with robotic prospecting missions to map out resource deposits. They're developing advanced technologies for in-situ resource utilization, or ISRU, which basically means using what's already on the moon to build and sustain their operations. This isn't just about extracting resources, it's about creating a self-sufficient lunar presence. And it's not just about the moon either. The Lunar Company envisions a future where the moon acts as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration. Think Mars, asteroids, and beyond. By establishing a robust lunar infrastructure, they're laying the groundwork for humanity's expansion into the cosmos. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds incredibly ambitious, almost too ambitious. And you'd be right. The challenges are immense. We're talking about extreme temperatures, radiation, and the logistical nightmare of operating in deep space. But the Lunar Company is betting on innovation, on breakthroughs in robotics, materials science, and propulsion systems. They're partnering with established aerospace companies and research institutions, leveraging the best minds and technologies available. The economic implications are staggering. Imagine a new space-based economy, creating jobs, generating wealth, and driving technological advancements that benefit everyone back on Earth. It's a long-term play, a generational investment, but the potential rewards are astronomical. Of course, there are ethical considerations. Who owns the moon? How do we ensure sustainable resource extraction? These are questions that need to be addressed as we move forward. But one thing is clear. The Lunar Company is a key player in this unfolding space race, a catalyst for a new era of lunar exploration and development. They're not just aiming for the stars, they're aiming for the moon's bottom line. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.